Doll, please.
So today we have another unboxing. This is a cinnamon Prowess doll from Culture Japan. I bought her purely with the intention of turning her into D.Va from Overwatch. Very nice, comfy bag. Have our accessory box, which we will go through first. Oh, nice. Okay, so I saw that a couple people had these included in their orders as kind of just like an extra thing. We have our wig, which I did buy her another wig from somebody on Facebook. Starlight's wig, I feel like it matches D.Va more. Got some of the black combat gloves. I have them right here in red, but I wanted the black as well. And it looks like it's the same poses as the red. The fist, the reaching out hand, the holding a gun hand. Next, some of the new cargo shorts. I bought the cargo pants. I wanted to bring these out to kind of like compare the two. These are the pants. I really like them. They're long, strappy, kind of bunched up on the sides. They have little pockets. The shorts, I think online he said he didn't want to do big pockets because it like took away from the shape of it, so he put these straps on, which I think are pretty cool. There is like a side flap, but it's not a working pocket. Mariah tag on the back. These are pretty nice. I like these. I got a bangle. This one is gonna be for summer as well. She's gonna have two bracelets. This is just the keep calm and carry a smart doll one. We have our cinnamon stand, our Mariah card with care instructions on the back, and now let's get out our girl. All the dolls come squished, not squished. They're quite comfy, to be honest. Bent and in the bag. Straighten out her legs. Look at her cute face. She came in the gray underwear set. She has red eyes, little stripes on the side. She has like some cute blush. Her eyeliner is really thick, which I like. She has a cute little smile. So this is what she looks like as her default cinnamon Prowess. But like I said, I bought her with the intention of turning her into D.Va. So let's do that. This is Starlight's wig. It's a little bit more red than Prowess's regular wig. And I just feel like this fits D.Va more so than the curly. I also put out to see if anybody had an outfit because I knew that one existed. I knew that it was out there, and somebody actually mentioned that somebody on Instagram was selling one, the D.Va suit. This is not Culture Japan, but this is a full body D.Va suit, zipper in the back to slip it on, and it came with some gloves, and then it came with a plain white headset that I painted myself. And now this is where things get interesting, because yeah, she just arrived, yeah, she's her cute cinnamon body, but we are not going to be using this cinnamon body. We are going to be using a milk body. This is a milk Cortex body that I built myself. You can watch that video on here as well. And I actually bought a milk vinyl bust from someone on Facebook because this, if anything, this is the part that I want to be able to like move her neck and whatever. I figured if I was going to be buying this suit that was going to fully cover the whole entire body anyway, why not put it on this milk body? That's what we're going to do. Okay, so this suit is very snug on the Smart Doll. I know that it originally is made for another brand of doll that maybe isn't as like curvy in the hips. I was thinking of using these outstretched hands and then putting these gloves over top of them. I always have to do this when I put dolls' hands on because I don't know which one goes where. So now we have her head and her wig cap, head. How do you do this with bangs again? I forget. You hold them out of the way. I'm just gonna hold the front and then pull the back down. Last but not least, her little headset. Her her D.Va headset. This is kind of amazing. I am very excited with how this looks. I think she looks great. I need to get her a gun, a little D.Va blaster. Thank you so much to everyone on Facebook who helped me find her suit in this wig. What am I doing with the cinnamon body, you're asking? Well, stay tuned. In like a video or two, all will be revealed. But thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like D.Va. Have a good one. Bye.